Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add new organizations into Pipedrive.com. Straight away is one of the easier tasks, but I wanted to show you this in 2022. So in the left window, as you can see on the left sidebar, we have a couple of options. Fifth from the top and fifth from the bottom is contacts. Let's click on contacts. We have three basically options here: people, organizations, and contacts timeline. Let's go to organizations. And what we have to do, as you can see, there's one company already added through the contact from before. But if we want to start with a brand new company, we just have to click on plus organization. Name, thanks company. Let's go with customer. We can set an owner to this account or to this deal. Owner doesn't mean the owner of the company. The owner is the owner of the contact who provided it to your company. So if you add it, or if you're responsible for bringing in the thanks company into your company of Mats TT, your name should be here. Address, let's go like this. I don't know what I just wrote. It's completely random. If someone lives there, I'm sorry. And save. As you can see, we have this company with 0 people, 0 closed deals, 0 open deals. Next activity, and also owner. We can toy around also with the columns we want to basically add in, but at the moment we are good to go, I would say. And in this way you can add more and more and more organizations and also create deals with them. In the organization menu, there are activities, propose times, calls, also email, files, and many more. So that's about it, guys. If you have any more questions, not only about the companies, but maybe about Pipedrive itself, please leave a comment underneath this video, and I'll try to answer it as fast as possible. Until then, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.